Finding a promising symbol is only the start. Before acting, you still need to review the current chart, the higher time frame context, the completed bar setup, operating conditions, and a realistic reference risk plan. Ninja's Setup Confirm MT5 puts those checks into one read-only panel. Ninja's Setup Confirm MT5 is a read-only utility for reviewing the current chart symbol after you have already found a candidate. It combines M15, H1, and H4 context, confirm bar setup checks, operating conditions, and a reference risk plan. Open the symbol you want to inspect and attach Setup Confirm to that chart. The panel reviews the current chart symbol. This makes it a natural next step after a multi-symbol tool, such as Market Radar, has helped you decide which candidate deserves deeper inspection. The panel brings together EMA trend alignment across M15, H1, and H4, directional RSI and ADX with DI, ATR activity, spread relative to ATR, and the current session and quote condition. These checks help explain whether the environment is aligned, incomplete, or blocked. The market context score ranges from 0 to 100. It measures how closely the current conditions match the implemented rules. It is not a probability, win rate, profit forecast, or guarantee. The score is one part of the checklist, not a standalone trading decision. Setup Confirm checks completed bar conditions for breakout, pullback, or continuation patterns. The closed bar approach is designed to avoid treating an unfinished candle as a completed trigger. The panel also shows the direction and the current setup label, so the result can be reviewed in context. Wait means the context is not ready. Armed means the directional context is aligned, but all trigger conditions are not complete. Triggered means the configured score, a qualifying completed bar, and a valid reference plan are present. Block means an operating, broker, or risk check failed. The word triggered can look decisive, so this limitation must be clear. Triggered is not an entry command, trade signal, or profit guarantee. The utility does not send an order, open a position, or modify an existing position. The user must still inspect the chart and make the decision. The reference plan estimates entry, stop loss, take profit, risk amount, lot size, required margin, and risk to reward. Order cal profit converts the estimated entry to stop loss into the account currency, and the lot is floored to the broker volume step. Order calc margin can reduce the reference lot when the configured free margin limit would be exceeded. The displayed values are estimates and can change with price, broker specifications, account type, commission, slippage, and available history. They are not an order ticket or a promise of execution. The setup can be blocked when a session, quote, spread relative to ATR, history, broker condition, or risk plan does not pass the implemented checks. A high score does not override a blocker. Blocked means the result should not be treated as a valid current setup under the utilities rules. The panel can be refreshed, collapsed, and opened again. The in-panel help view explains every state. Optional pop-up, sound, and MT5 push alerts are evaluated only after a completed check. The panel remains a review tool, even when an alert is enabled. Setup Confirm does not send orders or modify positions. It does not use DLL, web request, or an external indicator. It does not replace broker confirmation, demo testing, or your own execution and risk management rules. Always verify the chart and important account conditions before live use. When a candidate deserves a deeper one-symbol review, Ninja's Setup Confirm MT5 organizes the market context, completed bar setup, operating checks, and reference plan in one panel. It is available on MQL5 Market. The product link is in the video description.